Hi, today we will be discussing the differences between a carport and a garage. Both are great options to protect your vehicles, but they have some distinct differences like the cost, the space, and the resale value. By the end of this video, you will know which one is best for your needs. Let's get started. Let's start with the main differences between a garage and a carport. A carport is a covered structure with open sides that provide shelter for vehicles. A garage, on the other hand, is a fully enclosed structure with walls, a roof, and a door that provides complete protection for vehicles. While both carports and garages are designed to protect vehicles, garages offer more security and protection from the elements. Now let's compare three key elements to make your choice easier. Number 1. Cost and installation. Carports are generally more affordable than garages. They generally cost between $1,500 and $4,000. They require fewer materials, and the installation process is often quicker and easier. Garages, on the other hand, are more expensive due to the additional materials and labor required for construction. They usually cost between $4,000 and $20,000. They also require a foundation, which can add to the cost and time needed. Number 2. Space and storage. Garages offer more space and storage options than carports. They can be used not only for parking vehicles, but also for storing tools, equipment, and other items. Additionally, garages provide more privacy and security. Carports are more open and offer less storage space. Number 3. Resale value. A garage can increase the value of your home and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Carports may not add as much value to your property, but can still be a great option for those who prioritize cost and ease of installation. And to conclude, why not talk about the benefits of adding a carport to a garage? Adding a carport to your garage has several benefits. First, it provides additional covered parking space, protecting your vehicle from the elements. Second, it can increase your home's overall value and curb appeal. It can also serve as a covered outdoor space for activities such as barbecuing or working on projects. And finally, it can provide flexibility in the use of your garage space, allowing you to store other items or convert it into living space. Alright, you now have a better idea of what to choose between a carport and a garage for your needs. If you want to get a carport or a garage for way less than most people pay, you should check out the prefabricated metal buildings at Allen's Factory Outlet. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at @allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your garage or carport. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.